Olá pessoal, sejam bem-vindos ao canal Magnus Alpha Prime. Este vídeo mostra a primeira e a segunda reunião dos autobots. Mas antes de começarmos, deixe seu like, se inscrevam no canal e ativem as notificações. Agora vamos para o vídeo.
This is easily 100 times cooler than Armageddon! I swear to God! Bam! Whoa! Sweet! Oh, dude, I hope this guy's got asteroid insurance, because he is so bold. What is that? Something in the tree, dude. No, there's something in the thing by the tree. Could you guys just give me a space rock? Hey, sweetheart, what are you doing out here by yourself? Holy cow, what happened to the pool?
Are you Samuel James Witwicky, descendant of Archibald Witwicky?
Yeah?
My name is Optimus Prime. We are autonomous robotic organisms from the planet Cybertron. But you can call us Autobots for short.
Autobots.
What's cracking, little bitches? My first lieutenant. Designation Jazz. This looks like a cool place to kick it.
What is that? How do you learn to talk like that?
We've learned Earth's languages through the World Wide Web. My weapons specialist, Ironhide.
You feeling lucky, punk?
Easy, Ironhide.
Just kidding. I just wanted to show him my cannons.
Our medical officer, Ratchet. The boy's pheromone levels suggest he wants to mate with the female. You already know your guardian, Bumblebee.
Bumblebee. Check on the rep. Yep, second and none. So you're my guardian, huh?
His vocal processes were damaged in battle. I'm still working on them.
Why are you here?
We are here looking for the Allspark, and we must find it before Megatron.
Mega what?
Our planet was once a powerful empire, peaceful and just, until we were betrayed by Megatron, leader of the Decepticons. All who defied them were destroyed. Our war finally consumed the planet, and the Allspark was lost to the stars. Megatron followed it to Earth, where Captain Witwicky found him.
My grandfather.
It was an accident that intertwined our fates.
I think the dogs have found something. The ice is cracking. Captain! Grab my phone, Captain! I'm all right, lads. Can we throw you along, Captain?
Megatron crash-landed before he could retrieve the cube.
Men, we've made a discovery!
He accidentally activated his navigation system. The coordinates to the cube's location on Earth were imprinted on his glasses.
How'd you know about his glasses?
eBay.
eBay.
If the Decepticons find the Allspark, they will use its power to transform Earth's machines and build a new army.
And the human race will be extinguished. Sam Witwicky, you hold the key to Earth's survival.
Chamando todos os autobots. Chamando todos os autobots.
Ah, meu Deus! Foi uma loucura! Isso foi irado, mas foi loucura, né?
Legal! Legal! Ele voltou! Ele tá vivo! Optimus está aqui!
Até que enfim, ainda existe esperança.
O grande líder da galáxia livre voltou. Sabia que ia sobreviver, nunca duvidei.
Recebemos seu alerta. Estávamos esperando.
É isso aí! Beleza! A turma tá reunida de novo.
humanos nos pediram para jogar pelas regras deles. Bom, as regras acabaram de ser modificadas.